Hey there, Steve Horn with Short Sales Done Easy out of Phoenix, Arizona. Wanted to talk to you today about something that is very real, and that is fear. All of us have certain fears in our life, and my biggest fear, I think, is losing maybe my three kids in an accident, or losing my wife to a disease. I mean, all of us have deep-rooted fears. When I go on listing presentations, I talk to people about their fears in the short sale world. There's plenty of fears that people have in doing a short sale. They fear what the short sale is going to do to their credit. They fear what people are going to think of them as for doing a short sale. The nosy neighbors, people who are in the same situation. Oh, you're taking the easy way out. They may fear the bank. What is the bank going to do to me? They may fear being sued. If I short sale my house, is the bank going to come back and sue me for the deficiency? These are all real fears that exist when going through the short sale process. One thing that I like to clue my clients into is that the fear that you have with the bank and in going through the short sale process can get to you if you let it. Basically, in this market, we've seen a 55% depreciation rate in the Phoenix market. And what's amazing about that is everybody who has seen and felt that depreciation rate are still making their payments to the bank on a much higher loan amount than what their current house is truly valued for right now. So I want you to take away, I want to attempt to take away the fear from you in knowing that the bank is making their money right now. The bank is making their money right now. We sit in a house out in Gilbert, beautiful 3,200 square foot house. We have $450,000 put into this home on our loan amount. That's what our loan amount is for. The current value of that home is $225,000. If someone were to purchase my house right now, they'd be paying $225,000, and their mortgage payment would be roughly about $1,700. Our current mortgage payment happens to be right in the vicinity of $2,800, $2,900. The banks are making their money, folks. There's no question about it. And I'm still making my payments, but I have a sour taste in my mouth. That's what the loan modification is for. The government and Obama and all these commercials, the government, we're helping owners modify their loans. Really? How many people have you talked to where the loan modifications have actually gone through? So I'm going to get on my little pedestal here for the next 30 seconds and state that, guess what? The banks could do something. The banks could lower the principal to what the true value is worth, the true value of the loan is worth, and we would not have a foreclosure, we would not have a short sale market. The distressed market that we're feeling here in Phoenix is among the highest distressed areas in the whole entire country. We're ranking up there with California, Vegas, and Florida. We're up there right with them. So anybody who's listening to this from California, Nevada, Florida, we feel your pain here in Phoenix. That is what the short sale was created for. That's why short sales are so prevalent right now in this market, is because that is the bank's answer next to foreclosure. And the banks do not want your house to go to foreclosure because it's going to cost them an additional $20,000 to $30,000 to go through the foreclosure process. That is what the short sale is there for. Don't be afraid of the short sale. Don't be afraid of how long it's going to take. I'm afraid that my house will never be worth $450,000. That's what I'm afraid of. And why am I going to continue to make payments or pay off a $450,000 loan when the bank's not willing to negotiate my principal? So what? You going to force me to short sell or foreclose, be careful what you ask for, bank, because a lot of people in Phoenix are in this spot, and you're pushing us into a corner, you're pushing all of our clients into a corner, and you have the ability to reduce the principal. So I'm not going to fear the credit. I'm not going to fear what people think. I'm not going to fear the bank. I'm not going to fear lawsuits. We're in a non-deficient state. You can come and sue my clients. You can come sue us. We're not concerned. We're not going to fear that. Come and check out our website. Get our short sale packet. Get our short sale survival guide. And remember, here at Short Sales Done Easy, we do make short sales done easy.